In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to convert a WebP image file to JPEG. So this is an example of a WebP image file. You might have downloaded it from somewhere. So if you let's right click and check properties, you can actually see this is a WebP image file. So let's convert this to a JPEG file online. So what you want to do is simply launch your favorite browser and then go to this website called imageconverter.site. Now, of course, you can use any online tool that you want, but I prefer to use this one, and I recommend to you that you use this one. So imageconverter.site. I'll also leave a link to this website in the description below. So once you get onto this website, it's very simple. Simply click on Browse Files. That opens your file explorer of your computer. Navigate to where you saved your WebP image file. So here's mine. I'll select it and then click Open. And then the image file or the WebP file is going to be uploaded to this website, as you can see. Now, once it's uploaded, this bar will turn green and it will also say Upload Complete. So our WebP image file is here. So the next thing you want to do is select which format you want to convert to. Now, since we want JPEG, click on the drop down arrow and then choose JPEG. Once JPEG is selected there, you can scroll down a bit and choose the image quality of the final image. Now by default, it's set to 80%. You can reduce that if you want, but if you're like me and you like it at the best quality, you can set it to the max, which is 100%. Now once you do all those things, all you're left to do now is click on Convert. So click on that button, let it do its thing. It might take varying amounts of time depending on the size of your image, but as you can see, mine is complete already and it's now a JPEG file, but this file is still on this website. To get it onto your computer, click on Download, and that's going to open File Explorer. Choose where you want to save your now JPEG file. I'll save mine on the same folder and click on Save. Of course, you can download it where you want. Now once you do that, you can now see when we go to and check where we saved our download. Here's our original WebP file. Now we have a JPEG file. Okay, so we've converted this WebP file into a JPEG file and you still have both images. Now you can also check the quality by opening the image files, and as you can see, the quality is quite good. All right, so this is our WebP file, and if you can confirm with our resulting JPEG, it's still at the very highest quality. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.